would you say YouTube has affected your practice from the time you opened to a few years ago to recently with all this COVID-19 and the pandemic, the recent pandemic?
Well, when I first started, I didn't know what I was doing. When I say that, I knew that I needed to make videos. I had kind of seen how other people have done it for other industries, not really physical therapy. And I started to do it in a way that I thought was right. And it's morphed tremendously since then. There's a whole process to shooting videos. It's a production for sure. You got to have a script prepared. There's all this stuff. So that's morphed over the years. I started doing videos probably in 2015 or 16 after I had already opened. I was relying on word of mouth and just talking to people, word of mouth pretty much. And then when I met with you, I didn't even know that YouTube search engine optimization, SEO, was a thing. I just thought there was only one type of SEO, with Google or with all the big search engines. So once you helped me out, then our channel blew up big time. We had tons of subscribers, way more views. We hit 1 million views on one of the videos that we have, and the subscribership increases by anywhere from 500 to 700 new subscribers a month, and it is worldwide. We do get people asking us questions from all over the world. Canada's the next biggest country after the US. After Canada, it's India. And then we have people from outside of there too, Pakistan, Indonesia, England, other parts of Europe, France, all over the place. They send us messages. We actually get people that email us their MRI reports and their X-rays.
Wow,
And
that's
they
crazy.
want my opinion on it. Yeah, they download our free resources online, or I don't even know how they find my email address. I don't really put it out everywhere, but somehow I get an email, or my front office staff gets a call from out of the country, or they get an email or a message on our website chat as well. So we do what we can to help them, but it's very limited in that capacity. But since coronavirus hit, it really just put us in a position where, honestly, going into all the YouTube stuff, and we do a bunch of other digital marketing, I was kind of concerned because I was like, we're really heavy digital, and we're not marketing a whole lot of other ways. We're working on it, but we're not really good at it yet. We will eventually, but I was just like, what if Facebook shuts down my account with them, or YouTube shuts my account down, or Google, because we do Google ads and Facebook ads. We're gonna sink. It's not gonna be good. But when coronavirus hit, it was the best thing because we were already on there. We were already heavy on YouTube, so we just cranked it up. We just made more videos. We're still making videos. We started doing the podcast. We put our podcasts as videos on YouTube as well, so that we've actually been getting a lot of comments and views on those podcast episodes on YouTube as well. So it's been super helpful. I think it's the main reason why we've been so busy. I didn't mention that, but we slowed down a little bit in April, and then once May picked up, this is after coronavirus hit. May was completely full, 100% full on our schedule, and so was June. And there was another spike in July, so we're in the first week of July still. It dipped a little bit, but we're still pretty full. So I think the YouTube stuff that we're doing has helped out tremendously, and it's just educating people, talking about what I do.